In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Moomoo paper trading. If you've ever wanted to practice buying and selling stocks, options, or futures without putting real money on the line, paper trading is the perfect place to start. It mirrors live market conditions but uses virtual cash, so you can build confidence, test strategies, and learn the platform in a risk-free environment. Let's begin on the desktop app. First, open the Moomoo desktop application and log in. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll see an option labeled Paper, sometimes referred to as paper trading or simulated trading. Click that, and you'll be taken right into the paper trading interface. If it's your very first time, the platform will prompt you to open a paper trading stocks account. You'll also be asked to choose the market you want to simulate, such as US stocks. Pick the market that matches where you want to practice. After this quick setup, you're ready to place simulated trades just like you would in the live trading interface. That means you can search for a ticker, choose an order type, set your quantity and price, and submit the order. The screens, tools, and general workflow closely resemble the live side, which makes transitioning later on much easier. Whether you're on mobile or desktop, the key benefit is the same. You're using real-time or near real-time market data and familiar tools, but orders are executed with virtual funds. This allows you to experiment with entries, exits, and risk controls without the emotional pressure of real capital at stake. A few helpful notes to keep in mind. Paper trading on Moomoo is free and does not require you to fund a brokerage account. It all runs in a simulation environment with virtual money. The virtual funds provided are typically around $1 million for stocks and options, and often higher for futures, though the exact amounts can vary by region and platform version. Also, paper trading generally follows regular market hours. Pre-market and after-hours sessions may not be supported in the simulation, so plan your practice sessions accordingly. You may also notice optional competition or leaderboard modes. These are designed to add a friendly challenge and help you benchmark your performance against other paper traders. They're entirely optional, but they can be a fun way to stay motivated as you refine your approach. That's all there is to accessing and using Moomoo's paper trading on desktop. Dive in, practice thoughtfully, and use the experience to prepare for live trading when you're ready.